In this video, we're going to sketch y equal to the absolute value of x minus 3. If we were to solve this, the absolute value of x minus 3 would be x minus 3, so exactly as it is, if x minus 3 was greater or equal to 0, and the negative of this expression, which is 3 minus x, if x minus 3 was less than 0. If we work this out, this means that would have x minus 3 if x greater equal to 3, 3 minus x if x less than 3. Okay, so now that we have this, we are going to start our sketch. So 3 is our main point, so we have 3 over there, and when we have values which are less than 3, this will be the expression, or this will be the graph which we're trying to sketch. So on that side, then that means that we're going to sketch a straight line with a gradient of -1 and a y-intercept of 3. So if you remember, y equals mx plus c. So our m in this case is -1 and our c is 3. So it has a y-intercept of 3, and if you work out the x-intercept, it should just be 3, right? So this is what it looks like. So if you sketch this, this is what it looks like. But remember, so this passes at 3, so that point's 3. So just to remember that this is for the case where x is less than 3. So we can't continue this straight line. So it's only for this portion where the x values are less than 3. But now, when we come to x values which are greater than 3, this is when we now use this graph. And there we have x minus 3, so coming back to the general form, then our m is 1 and our y-intercept is -3. So just imagine a graph which would cut at -3, then trace it out, but only draw it from this point because this is where it's valid from. So to have a gradient of 1 and it would cut somewhere there at -3, and this would be your final graph. So the white section and the yellow section would be your sketch of the absolute value of x minus 3.